Let's begin by exploring the healthcare industry, a sector that's been dramatically transformed by AI and ML. Ever wondered how these two technological terms have managed to revolutionize an industry as extensive and vital as healthcare? It's a profound change brought about by innovation, the urge to make medical science more precise, efficient, and life-saving. Artificial intelligence and machine learning, often abbreviated as AI and ML respectively, are two potent tools that have become game changers. They've infiltrated every corner of our lives, and the healthcare sector is no different. But how have they managed to do this? Let's delve deeper to understand. The answer lies in the fantastic projects that have been born out of the synergy between AI, ML, and healthcare. One such groundbreaking venture is Google's DeepMind Health. It's an extraordinary endeavor that is redefining boundaries, changing paradigms, new benchmarks in the healthcare domain. But what exactly is Google's DeepMind Health, and how is it transforming the healthcare industry? DeepMind Health is a pioneering project launched by Google, aiming to leverage the power of AI and ML to streamline healthcare procedures, making them more accurate, efficient, and timely. It's a project that uses advanced technology to understand and process complex medical data. In an environment where every second counts, the role of technology in interpreting medical data is critical. Traditionally, medical professionals relied on their expertise and judgment to diagnose diseases. However, with the advent of AI and ML, this scenario is rapidly changing. Now, by using sophisticated algorithms, DeepMind Health can analyze thousands of medical images. The ability of this technology to process amounts of data at a speed and accuracy level that surpasses human capacity is extraordinary. Medical images like X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans carry crucial information about various diseases. However, the human eye can miss minute details that might be vital for diagnosis. Can you imagine the kind of transformation that can happen if technology can identify these details? Well, that's precisely what DeepMind Health is doing. It's using AI and ML to spot early signs of diseases such as cancer. This is groundbreaking because often these signs are so faint that they go unnoticed by the human eye, even those trained to catch anomalies. By identifying these early signs, DeepMind Health enables quicker diagnoses. This is incredibly important because, in many diseases, especially those like cancer, early detection can significantly increase the chances of successful treatment. But that's not where the role of DeepMind Health ends. Once a diagnosis is made, it aids in making the treatment process more efficient. It helps medical professionals plan better, predict possible complications, and choose the most suitable course of treatment. This kind is not only beneficial for the patients, but also for the healthcare industry as a whole. It brings down the cost of treatment, maximizes the use of resources, and reduces the time taken for diagnosis and treatment. Ultimately, by revolutionizing the way data is processed and understood, DeepMind Health is saving more lives. It's giving hope to millions of people around the world, those grappling with severe diseases, and those who value the gift of health. So you see, the healthcare industry is undergoing a dramatic transformation, and AI and ML are at the forefront of this change, turning the impossible into possible, making the unseen seen, and most importantly, saving lives. This leads to quicker diagnoses, more efficient treatments, and ultimately, more lives saved. Now shift your focus to the finance industry. AI and ML are being used to predict market trends, automate trading, and detect fraudulent transactions. They are fundamentally changing the way financial institutions operate, making them more efficient and secure. Next, let's consider the automotive industry. Companies like Tesla are harnessing AI to perfect autonomous driving. Their vehicles are equipped with advanced sensors and machine learning algorithms to understand the world around them. This is not just about convenience, but also about making our roads safer and reducing the number of accidents. In the realm of retail, giants like Amazon employ AI to improve customer experiences. Their recommendation engine, powered by machine learning, curates personalized shopping suggestions based on individual browsing and buying patterns. This translates into more relevant products for customers and more sales for businesses. In the manufacturing sector, AI and ML are being leveraged to optimize production processes, improve quality control, and predict maintenance needs. This leads to increased productivity, reduced downtime, and lower costs. Moving on to the marketing and advertising industry. AI is being used to analyze consumer behavior and personalize advertising content, leading to more effective marketing strategies and increased sales. Now let's consider the impact of AI and ML on software development itself. They're not just transforming industries, they're also reshaping how software gets developed. Companies are leveraging AI to automate repetitive tasks, detect bugs early, and even predict future issues. However, this also presents challenges and ethical considerations, such as job displacement and data privacy. Looking ahead, we can expect the influence of AI and ML in software development to grow, with trends pointing towards more automation and predictive capabilities. In conclusion, AI and ML are not just futuristic concepts. They're here, they're now, and they're fundamentally changing the way industries operate. From healthcare to finance, automotive to retail, manufacturing to marketing and advertising, and software development, they're revolutionizing processes and reshaping the future. So the next time you hear the terms artificial intelligence and machine learning, remember they're not just buzzwords, they're powerful tools that are transforming our world, industry by industry, one application at a time.
Continuous Learning. Code Books Academy. Thank you for watching.